So hey guys, this is Vishal. So I'm here in front of you, as usual. Today I'm here to present my skills or daily fluent English speaking, which I have taken a challenge. So today is day 20 of making a fluent English challenge videos. So I have started the video now. Now the time is 11:12. So this is a night time where I am making up these videos. So here, I don't worry that today I've done lots of things which I will share with you from morning till now. That's why today I'm recording the video so late. So that's not matter, but matter that thing which I have done from morning till now. So that things. So which I have done a one great achievement from November to now till. So that's things which I will share with you, and afterward I will talk to my Claude AI, who can help me in speaking in English properly as a fluent or as an experienced guy. So that's things. So initially, I will share with you what I have done from morning till now. Okay. So as usual from you go from, you go my previous video or and analyze me then how I talk in my previous videos and now how I talking to that particular professional way or not, because I done a 20-day consistency practice of making a this English speaking video, but that's I get a lots of difference between that what I have know in my previous video and what I know from now videos. So that things lots of improvement I gain from my previous time or previous video until now. So that things. So initially I will share with you what I have done from morning till now. Then I will continue the conversation with the AI. Okay. So initially, uh, I woke up at 11 a.m. today. Okay, I talk about that my college holiday is going on nowadays. So my college, so today is a Friday. Okay, so tomorrow is a Saturday. So today is a Friday. So tomorrow is a Saturday. So on Monday my college will open. So I remain there is a holiday, only 2 days are remaining for the holidays. That's Saturday and Sunday. So in 2 days I want to learn lots of things that about my personal skills, JavaScript, React, that things I know. That's making makes me a difficult because I want to learn JavaScript as well as I want to prepare for the interview questions. So in 2 days I will do lots of things. So that's make a sense. And in between these 2 days I want to make a videos also that I have taken a challenge. I will share with you what I have done, what I have taken a challenge, and what thing I will done overcome, and lots of things I have done. I have decided because I want to grow in a YouTube very well and very defined, because lots of time are wasted because I'm uploading only a single video at a day that on a particular topic. So that's not making a sense to being a viral, to being a more connectivity to the audience. So that's not make a sense. So yesterday the main changes was came in my YouTube channel in my life. That's I will share with you. So I will share with you initially what I have done from morning till now, and afterward I will share what changes I have done from tomorrow, from yesterday. Okay, so I will share with you what I have done from 11 a.m. So 11 a.m. I woke up, and after they woke up, as usual, gone for the bathroom and bath and toothpaste, toothbrush, and all things I have done. So after that things, I done a breakfast and read the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And after the reading of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, I came up of my JavaScript. Last four videos are remaining to being complete that particular series. So that I have completed that four video, but some part are remaining that not video, that particular task which he given me in a last video. So that's I want to complete it. So I will manage that particular thing in my college time. So I will do that particular thing. So that my personal thing. So I will do. So that things which I have done from 12 p.m. to I have started my JavaScript from 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Okay. So at 3 p.m. I eated food, and after the 3:30 p.m. me and my mother, only two, are making the comedy content which I have we today we are recorded at the uh, afternoon. Said that we have recorded on six video, and today me and my mother are so tired because today we have make and record, which I want to told you that is very impressive for me, that me and my mother today recorded a singly that once rehearsal take by my mother, another will take my me by me. So that's thing. So today me and my mother are recorded the six video. Okay, after that, because on that time my sister is going at school for the teaching. So that's the, because as usual my sister is teaching in a school. Her time is 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So today, in her college, in her school, where she's taught teaching, where she's teaching. So on their children wants to her children wants to be having an dance competition. So she's gone for the practicing for the particular students. So that's why today her timing was 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. So that's things. So today we doesn't have any cameraman for the videos. So my sister is a backbone of our videos. These things which comedy content you are watching, which behind the scene you are watching, you know, as usual, if you watching my behind the scenes, then you know what struggle we are facing now. So that's it. Lots of things like storage problem, like charging problem, like phone camera quality problem, like timing mismatch. So lots of things which are we are facing, but I don't care that I am here in front of you because I want to being a successful. That no one can beat me in this space. So I will be manage that all things, and I will be push myself to forward. That one day I believe myself that one day I will be successful. Okay, so that's it. So on a particular time where 3:30 to 6:30, me and my mother both are make a video at here hall. Okay, at bedroom. So lots of takes we have taken, and lots of struggle we have done, because we have to make a video that I'm a cameraman, I have catch the phone on my hand, and other side my mother is rehearsing that particular role. So that things are very difficult for us, because on that particular time we want any third person who can me, but help us. But there is not on that time there is not a third person which can help us. But help a lot, that we have now independent on both of them. So now, today we have done a six video of recording. So after that six video of recording, my mother is gone 6:30. At 6:30, my Kanaji, where he's sitting in a in a bedroom. So she gone for that particular arti and so all. So she done that particular thing, and afterward, I decided to start this study. So after this 6:30, I decided to start the JavaScript. So I started a new series where is the name of the Sharian's coding classes. So on there, I started a study that his series is 8 hours JavaScript series. So on that I done a 1 hour series with the notes. Okay, so here the notes also, you know, here I have written a notes also, lots of notes, that 1 hour series. So I am very happy that I am gaining a knowledge of the JavaScript, because I doesn't know the what is a JavaScript, that all things, because in my previous series which I have done today at 2:30, that I have done a one project also. So lots of things I'm doing now, that's making a sense that I'm moving myself as a forward. That's I'm parallelly doing my content creation as well as study. So that's things. So after the 6:30 to 8:30, I studied hard, and after that 8:30, I gone for the breakfast and all things. And at 9:30, my mother and me, we have changed the dresses and clothes, because we have to make a video that for the behind the scene also. So at we have decided yesterday that main twist which I want to share with you, that what I have done yesterday. So that main twist, yesterday I'm scrolling randomly on my phone, that scrolling video. So he one creator watch came in my feed, and as suddenly visited his ID. Okay, so I have seen that his ID, he has created that particular ID in previous year, last month, like November or December 2025. So up to now, this is a prep. Okay, So he's started the channel only a 4 month was done. Okay, now he have an 24,000 subscriber on YouTube. So that's very brilliant thing. That I want to know the strategy how he's done that. So I visited his full channel. So I got to know that one thing, that he uploading a video per day, 5 video he uploading that particular comedy content creation. So that makes sense that if I also upload that particular thing at a day of 10, 5 video 6 video I will upload. So the Instagram algorithm wants to know that he's a content creation. We have to boost his video for the other audience. So that makes sense. So that's why we have started that now. So today, from today onwards, me and my mother, we are making a daily 5 videos for the daily purpose, and the other for 3 to 4 videos at night time, where 10 to 11 p.m. As usual. So me and my sister and my mother, with trio are making a video with the behind scenes. So lots of things which are managing by ourselves. So that things we are managing nowadays. So these things, and after that, now that's all things are done. So me and my mother and my sister are done behind this also. So that's the taken a time of 11 p.m. Okay, so from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. we have decided to make a that video. Okay, so that video also done. So today's I me and my mother and my sister are gain a milestone achievement, that we have recorded 10 videos. Okay, where four are the behind the scenes plus video, and 6 are without the behind the scene video. So that's a great milestone for me. So that's it. So I'm happy now. So today, and as well as I studied that particular task which I have think that particular thing. So now my last task is remaining, that which I have recorded the 6 video at afternoon. After this recording video which you are watching, after this recording video, I want to now edit that 6 video, and I want to schedule that particular 6 video, because I want, if I schedule that particular video, I have think that I will upload tomorrow 8 a.m. first video, 12 p.m. second video, for 6 p.m. Third video, and 10 p.m. fourth video, and last fifth video as usual with the behind the scenes is 12 p.m. 12 a.m. So that means I will upload a 5 video per day. That's make a sense to being boost my YouTube channel. So that things which I am think that is it work or not, I don't know. So that things. So here I am here, that I have shared all the things which I know, which I have think about that. So that's the things which I have shared in 13 minutes. So I am now doing a cool thing. So that things. And now I'm appreciating myself that I didn't have stopped with the 13 minutes without any miscorruption. That I didn't have any doubt myself, that I didn't get to stuck on particular word, because while I'm talking with you in front of you, so that's making a sense that I know each word's meaning. So I have talked very proudly in front of you. So now go ahead, I will going to I will starting the conversation with the AI, which asks me an interview question, and after this particular interview question, we will go ahead for the answer of the particular interview question. So start the conversation. Okay, so now I'm starting the video. Okay, so wait a while, I'm starting. So we started the video. Oh wait, yeah. So, hey AI, ask me a particular interview question, which can I answerable, and ask me a, you can ask any interview question where my main domain is I want to become a full stack web developer, and as well as I'm a content creator. Okay, so ask me a question in this where I can answerable, and now I am a second year BTech IT student. So that makes sense. Which can I answerable? That's particular question you can ask, and now start the asking the question. And pause. So in my previous video I have talked about that particular question which you are asking now. So he's asking that me that tell me about a project you are building, where you have had a work with both front end and back end technology. What was challenges are you facing, are you what what's challenges about it, and what do you learn from. So that I have only one project where I have used the front end and back end, but I have used lots of AI tools for that particular project. So that's not make a sense that I know the proper back end and front end, but I know the thing which I want to know. So I know the functionality of that particular thing, and after the making of that particular full project of front end and back end, I get to know how the back end connection are work, how the actual database will work, how all the things, how the debug work, how the front end will connect with the backend, how the backend will connect to the database, how the database link are connected to the backend. So lots of things I get to know about, because if you are a fresher, if you doesn't know the how the what the things in a web development, how to do these things, so you go and watch the tutorial on a YouTube, and as well as we can watch everything, and take a one hard project which is a major project, which can you help you, which it help you that to enhance your skills, because you get to know that how the API work, how the local host work, why the API are used, and what is the API, and what is the hosting, and what is the routing, and lots of things you get to know about that particular thing. I didn't know the what the routing, what the hosting. So I get some a little bit knowledge about that. In this series, I get to know about the Express, about the Redis, about the what the Mongoose, about the Morgan. So lots of things I get to know about that with that particular one project. So you know, once I get the some knowledge from that particular project, so so if you take another project, daily to daily life, like I have done that particular project in 3 months. So in 3 months I get all that overview of that particular thing. So if you start the another project also, so you get to know about that particular project knowledge also. So that makes sense. If you explore another project, so you get to know about that particular projects internally, how the things are work, and how the things are actually meaningful in your life, because in future you get to know in future it doesn't know you where you are where you will stand, because in future you can't predict that your placement will be in a AWS, in a Facebook, or in a Microsoft, or in a Instagram. So where you can't predict, but if you know the how the these all platform work, how this connectivity, how these all things are work, if you are making that particular project from your side, so that makes sense. If you are know the route, know the connectivity, so all things you know, as so on that particular time you don't regret that you don't know that particular flow, and don't know that connectivity. So start the building things now. So if you start the building thing now, so that makes sense, you will be pro on that time, on that level. So that's my answer. So guys, it's asked me that, did you debug something specific that forced you to understand the flow, or did you have to go back and learn it internationally? No, intentionally, yes, intentionally. So in this, when I am I know I have watched the particular project, uh, I have completed the 8 hour tutorial, not tutorial, 8 hour lecture, 8 hour lecture on from the YouTube, okay, of that particular project. So while I'm watching that particular project, I doesn't know how the React work, how the front end back end work. So but I know the little bit work things which he's teaching on that particular time, and he explaining that particular thing. So I get to know that thing. So after the 8 hour, his project was completed and all the functionality working properly. So all things which he made, and as usual I am repeating that particular thing. I am cloning that particular thing as usual with my keyboards. Okay, so I have written each and every code with my hands. So that makes sense how the actual things work, how the debug work. So I get to know. So after that, he also taught me about the debug something, how did the debug work, how to handle that particular thing. So that things, from that I get to know that that particular thing. So he teach that particular as a limited thing. That afterward he told that in his last session, that if you want to build this project as a major type, if you add a new features, if you want to add a new features, so you have a GitHub profile, our GitHub profile. You get a PR, and take a PR, and push it on your new means he told that give our contribution on this particular platform. That makes sense. So I didn't thought I get to know that I get a thought that he's saying right, but I didn't push his my features in his GitHub. I started using AI to build that particular project in a very huge or a hard method. So on hard level. So I started. I use a AI tool where I am giving that AI tool a particular instruction, like you want to add this feature, you want to add this feature. So he given all features in that particular my video, and after that my that particular project UI also changes, admin panel also changes, login panel also changes. My entire project was changes with the help of that AI. But after that, I have learned about that how the actual flow was working. So I am deeply internationally intentionally I gain a knowledge how this API works. So all things I ask from that AI, which build my entire project, and they help me a lot how the flow working. So lots of things he taught me from I get knowledge from the YouTube and get knowledge from the AI. So that's my answer. And now the time is 22 minutes, so last 8 minutes remaining. So now ask me another question. So guys, he asked me a genuine question, which usually vibe coder always ignore these things. But I'll answer this particular thing. He asked me that if you were in a real job interview right now, and the interviewer asked you to build a small feature from scratch without using AI assistance, what do you feel most confident doing, and what will genuinely trip you up? So in this, I shared with you all things. I doesn't know the thing from the scratch. Okay, but I have created all the things with the help of AI, with the help of the YouTube. So I know the actual things, how the things are working. Okay, but I doesn't know the how to write a code properly. So that's for that purpose I am now learning the JavaScript. So I get to once I complete my entire JavaScript in depth in core. So after that, if I get to know that particular project, that particular feature from scratch, that on that particular time I definitely do. So now a time I am studying, I am in a learning phase. So that makes sense that you also know that I am a second year student, but that not a good thing that I am in a second year student that doesn't know the JavaScript as well. So that's not good for me. But I'll try that next time. I'll don't say these things with you that I doesn't make this feature from scratch. But on that time, I proudly say that I know I will make that particular feature from scratch. So on without AI assistance. So next time I definitely doesn't disappoint you. So guys, he asked me another question, which is appreciation also. So he's asked me that what one specific feature from that project you just built, maybe the login system or the database connection or the API integration. What that you could explain me out loud right now, step by step, without looking anything up, not perfectly, just genuinely in your own word. So in this, he asked me that one feature from the project you just built. So in this feature, I I know I doesn't know that particular thing, but I'll share with you that what the feature and how the feature work properly. Okay, so I doesn't build that particular project with my logic, but I copied that logic with the AI with the YouTube. But I know how the actual things are working. So I'll share only with you the administration page. Okay, so on the administrator page, where I have written a hard coded thing secret code. So on that particular secret code, if the particular admin or came on a admin panel, so he doesn't get any access to being a admin, because once you enter that particular correct secret code, then you create your particular admin panel. So without that particular admin secret code, he doesn't get access in our platform. So that's I have hard coded on a particular admin panel. So that's our first feature. This is a security layer. So as well as in a login page where no one can be a sign in also, because once admin get an access in our panel with their right secret code, he makes a particular email and password for that particular guy who can enter in our platform. So that makes sense, which I have done a second layer, that no one can accessible by the permission of the admin. So that's things which I know, and internally how the things are work properly, that are written in a react code project, and having a lots of logic also. And in the react there is a on something in a javascript also, which making a logic things, which I doesn't know the much good, but the things I know, I have shared with you. So guys, he asked me that particular question. In that admin login flow, you just describe, when someone enters the secret code and password, where does the data actually get validated? Is it check on the front end in React, or does it go to your backend server first, and why you would one approach be better than the other? So I didn't get properly, but I the question which I understand I will answer. One I can I answer that particular question. You can correct me that I get to not your question or not. Okay, so here I have shared with you that I have hard coded that particular secret code. So I have in a hard coded particular secret code, I have done a logic also, where if the not if some logic that I am giving an example, that if that new admin user are enter that particular secret code, right, then you can give access and give access to enter in our project. And in else part, if not corrected, then you give the proper warning that secret code was not correct. So that's my answer. If it is correct, then correct me. If it is not correct, then correct me, or it is correct, then now I am ending the video. Okay. So guys, he definitely give a proper things that he suggests me that I have said that he's saying that let me gently point out something important here. You have hard coded a secret code in your front end React code. Yeah, and that's actually a security risk. Made anyone who expect your browser can see that code. So that's it. Because of that thing, now I'm changing that. I am adding the face recognition for the future purpose, but I am adding now that if any new user are came in for our in our platform, that initially when he added his face recognition, then he get access in our platform, and afterward when the admin give his face recognition again for the unlock for the enter in our project. So that the main secret layer which I will inbuilt in our project. So that's the things which I have thought in my mind. So that's cool or not? So guys, now I'm ending the video. Now 30 minutes are done, and now the time is 11:46. So now I'm ending the video, and he's asked me a proper question, which I will continue in my next video, which I'm making the next video at day 21. So you definitely watch because this question is very 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 good for me, and I'll answer that particular question, but in next video. Okay. So stay tuned and like, subscribe, and share our video and comment the best part which I have shared with you, and comment by the mistake also which I have completely in this series in this 30-minute video. If I have done any mistake, so correct me that particular thing, that this particular grammar mistake I have done. So that makes sense me that improve me that in next time I'll not repeat that particular mistake. Okay. So thank you so much for the watching and stay tuned.